1,800 horsepower, a screaming naturally aspirated V16, and a price tag over $4.6 million, this is the insane new Bugatti Tourbillon. Today we are talking about one of the most futuristic and mind-blowing hypercars ever created, the Bugatti Tourbillon. This machine is not just another supercar. It is Bugatti's new masterpiece and the official successor to the legendary Chiron. And trust me, this car is on another level. The first thing that makes the Tourbillon unbelievable is the engine. Bugatti removed the famous quad-turbo V16 from the Chiron and replaced it with a completely new naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine developed with Cosworth. Yes viewers, a V16 engine in 2026 sounds absolutely insane. But Bugatti didn't stop there because this hypercar also uses 3 electric motors, making it a hybrid monster with a total output of around 1,800 horsepower. The sound of this V16 is expected to be absolutely brutal. Unlike turbocharged engines, the naturally aspirated setup delivers instant throttle response and a screaming high-rev experience that feels raw and emotional. Bugatti says this engine can rev close to 9,000 RPM, which is unbelievable for a massive V16 power plant. Now let's talk performance because this car is built to dominate everything on the road. The Bugatti Tourbillon can launch from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 2 seconds, and its top speed is around 445 km per hour or 276 miles per hour. Some reports even suggest future versions could approach the legendary 300 mile per hour mark. And what's crazy is that Bugatti achieved all this while making the car lighter and more advanced than the Chiron. The Tourbillon uses a completely new monocoque chassis, advanced aerodynamics, and a highly sophisticated suspension system designed for both insane speed and luxury comfort. But viewers, this car is not only about speed. The design of the Tourbillon is pure automotive art. From the front, it still carries the iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille, but everything looks sharper, cleaner, and more futuristic. The body lines are extremely aggressive while still keeping that elegant Bugatti identity. The side profile looks absolutely stunning with its aerodynamic shape and massive air channels. And when you look at the rear, the full-width lighting setup and futuristic exhaust design make it look like a spaceship from the future. Honestly, this might be one of the most beautiful hypercars ever designed. Inside the cabin, Bugatti took a very different approach compared to modern luxury cars. Instead of filling the dashboard with giant screens, the Tourbillon focuses on timeless luxury and craftsmanship. The instrument cluster is inspired by Swiss luxury watches, and Bugatti actually designed the interior to feel mechanical and emotional instead of digital and boring. The steering wheel has a fixed center hub so the gauges always stay perfectly visible while driving. The materials inside include crystal glass, aluminum, titanium, carbon fiber, and premium leather. Every single detail feels handcrafted like a piece of luxury jewelry. Another amazing thing is that Bugatti wanted this car to feel timeless even after decades. That's why they avoided huge touchscreen-heavy interiors because technology becomes outdated quickly. Instead, they created something that can still look beautiful even 50 years from now. And honestly viewers, that philosophy makes this car even more special. Now let's talk about the hybrid system because this is where things become even more futuristic. The Tourbillon has 3 electric motors, 2 at the front and 1 at the rear. This setup provides instant acceleration, all-wheel drive performance, and even a short electric-only driving range of around 60 kilometers. So yes, this hypercar can quietly drive in electric mode and then transform into a roaring V16 beast within seconds.